In this video we have unboxed VW Bettle. Welcome to miniatureV. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and kindly watch this video till the end. We have bought this car from RMZ City diecast from retail outlet. It has come with an license sticker, and as well as it has come in a very good package. It is looks so nice, and it's best for the showpiece. We can display it in our home or a car. It's exactly replicating the same the design of the car, and it's really a nice well packed thing. Here the car is. The details of the car, it's partially okay. We can say it's good actually. It's very apt for the showpieces, and the interior details is it's okay, but it's not so clear like 1:18 scale ratio. But definitely we have to say that it is clear, and these chrome painted wheel and silencer underneath the details, everything is good, as well as the tail lamp. It's so awesome design, and really it's worth of a collective piece actually. Let's try to do some thing with this car. The wheel movement is good actually. We'll try to pull back it. Yeah, it's doing good. It's moving very smooth. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we are coming up with more videos. Thank you.